Sneeze loading. Let's hit cancel. Rapid tips. Tongue to roof press. Push hard for 5 seconds. Pinch the bridge of your nose lightly. Breathe slow through your mouth. Press a finger on the spot between your nose and upper lip. Swallow twice. Or sip water to reset the reflex. Look away from bright light. Sunglasses help photic sneezers. If it wins, don't cork it. Sneeze into your elbow. Then blow your nose to clear irritants. Quick reset, zero drama. Save this for allergy season.